Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove a friend on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise, and then here at the bottom you'll see this icon with a person and it says friends. I want you to tap on that. This will show you all the friends you have. Now click on the friend that you want to remove. So I'll click on this one right here, and to remove this person, all you want to do is come to the top right. You'll see this gear cog, okay? This will lead you to settings, and then you'll see this option that says remove from friends list. So we'll be able to remove this user from the friend list just by tapping on it, and it will delete any non-group expenses that we have shared, okay? And we'll be able to see that we have actually removed them from activity as well, and they will not receive any email or push notification that will remove them as a friend. Now just go ahead and click here on remove, and there you go. They have been deleted, and that is how you remove a friend on Splitwise.